going on, guys? Let's try this problem right here. Here we have class limits for number of hours of exercise per week, and in the other side we have class boundaries column, class midpoints column, and frequency column, right? So here what it's saying is we have 0 to 2 hours number of people work out per week, and 3 to 5 hours per week, and we have something like that, right? Now the question is asking to find the class boundaries for this one and class midpoints. Now to illustrate this one better, we can draw a number line, right? So let's draw a line. So here we have to always start from less than whatever the value we have, because class boundaries are obsessed with not having exact same number, so we have to have a number that is less than this. So let's start with -1, right? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's finishing at 14, but we have to have an extra number like we did here. We have to have one number smaller and one number bigger. Now class boundaries are basically, so first let's illustrate this one. So here we have 0 to 2. So this is 0 to 2, right? 0 to 2, and 3 to 5, and 6 to 8, and 9 to 11, and then 12 to 14, right? So this is what we have right here. But class boundary says it's not good to have like this, because what if someone work out 2.5 hours per week? He doesn't fit in anything, right? Because it's in the midpoint right here. So that's why we have class boundaries. We fit everything inside. We try to fit everything inside. That's why we have class boundaries. Now to find the class boundaries, what we do is we add these two numbers and divide by 2. Like here we have -1, 0, and if you add them together, that's going to be -1, and if you divide that one by 2, that's going to give you -0.5. So that's going to be the halfway between these two numbers. So here we are going to start from -0.5, and that's going to go until 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that's going to be 2.5, right? And then start from 2.5, and the halfway between 5 and 6 is going to be 5.5, right? So this is going to be ending at 5.5, and the next one starts at 5.5, and that's ending at 8, between 8 and 9. So halfway between 8 and 9, 8 plus 9 divided by 2, that's going to give us, so 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 divided by 2, that's going to be 8.5, right? And the next one again, 11 plus 12 divided by 2, that's going to give us 8.5 to 11.5, and the next one is going to be 11.5, and here we are going to have 14 plus 15 divided by 2, that's going to give us 14.5, right? So this is going to be our class boundaries. Now to find the class midpoints, what we have to do is we can add these two and divide by 2, or these class boundaries, add class boundaries and divide by 2. You will get the same number. 0 plus 2 divided by 2, that's going to give us 1, and if you do this for this one, you will still get the 1, right? 3 plus 5 divided by 2, that's going to give us 4, and 8 plus 6 divided by 2, that's going to give us 7, and 11 plus 9 divided by 2, that's going to give us 10, and 14 plus 12, 26 divided by 2, 30. So this is going to be our class midpoints, and that's how we find these things. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.